Guys, so a subscriber asked me to teach you all how to carry a baby in the back. I don't know, this thing is not. Hi guys, so it's because one of my subscribers asked me to do a video on how to back a baby in the back when they are fussy or they are crying or something. So Mia, come back. If your baby is older, okay, like mine, you can tell her I enter. You can stay like this and the baby will enter your back like this. Then you hold your baby. I beg you, hold your baby. You open your baby's leg around your waist. She's laughing. You take a very long wrapper, a very long one, so that you can be able to wrap your baby very well. Then see, you take the wrapper above your baby like this. Hold your wrapper well. Sometimes the baby can put their hand outside. Sometimes you can tell them to put their hands inside. If you put their hand inside, the faster they sleep and the faster they keep quiet. Then you see, I'm still holding my wrapper. Okay? You put this one in, you take this one outside, you hold this place to secure the bottom part of her leg, and you do it like this. You tie it round and round and you secure it inside just like this. You see, she's in the back. She's not going to cry, she's not going to disturb, she will stay there till she sleep, or I am tired of backing her, I can put her down. My two hands are free. I can use it to cook, wash, carry water, do whatever I want to do. So far, she's at the back, she's secure, she's not going to fall down. Yeah, so this is how I back my baby. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. This video is not plenty, so might be joined in a vlog. I don't know. All right, catch you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Bye.
See?
Mommy.
Look here, baby. Oh God, tired. So guys, she has slept. She's sleeping. So I'm just going to put her down. We've not been, I think 10 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago, I just backed her because I just finished sweeping the house and she slept. As I was sweeping, she slept off. So that's how to keep a baby from crying, from being fuzzy, from disturbing you. If the baby is disturbing you too much, just back them to sleep. I wonder how long I'll be backing her. Maybe till she's 4 years old. I don't know, but we'll see. Alright guys.
Mom, what's that?
This is called Aki. That's a big break. Hey, wait, you don't want to break. Break. Yeah, it's not breaking. It has broken. Yay!
I think it's granite.
It's not granite. It looks like this.
What's that?
It's very strong. Bottom.
Brother.
This is village food.
Food.
Village food. This is the chaff. Put this one away. I don't think I'll take another one. So I want to knack this thing. I'll try and break it, and I'll show you guys the after results. So guys, this is one I've break, and this is one that is remaining. Some of them are strong, so I'm not sure I'll be able to break everything because some of them are very, very strong and they're upstairs. Where's your Ashu? Read that thing.
For actual phone.
What is the name here?
Actual.
It's Aki.
Aki.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It's called Aki.
Go Aki. Go Aki. Go Aki. Go Aki.
Sure, keep quiet.
Oh. Oh. Thank you. Mom, oh again. Mama sandal. Mama sandal.
What happened to your sandal?
Mama sandal red. Mama sandal red. Mama.
Yes.
Mama sandal red.
It's not break. So guys, I am done. These ones I am not going to break it because they are very, very strong and I don't have stone to break it. I only have this piece to this thing, and I just have to select the ones that are soft and easier to break. Some of them have been flying from my balcony downstairs. I don't want to go and hit somebody's window or somebody's car or anything. So, but if it's in the east, we'll use stone and knock it like the way I've been knocking it fast. The sound is always interesting. So do you know that this Aki, you can use it to make oil? And the name of the oil is Ulaki. Palm kernel oil. Yeah. So you can sell this and they'll use it to produce oil and other things, I think so. But I know about the oil. So sometimes if in the east, if I'm broke and we make a lot of these palm fruits, I will pound, either I knack it myself or I'll take it to I call it like a store whereby they break the palm kernel for me. Okay, then when they break it, I'll come back home, I'll start picking it and removing it from the shelf, from the chaff. Then if I remove it from the chaff, then when I finish picking this, okay, I will sell it. They sell it in paint. 1 paint, 2 paint, 3 paint. And that time, I think it's always like 1,000 naira. And that time the money was big. So if I do like 3, 4 paint, at least I have enough money to buy something for myself or buy granite and refry it and sell. When I was in the East, I'm always very, very industrious. So if I do this, then I will break down the palm fruit leaf. Okay, I break down the palm fruit leaf. Then that one you can use it to do broom. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Taking you back to the village. I took my daughter back to the village. Yes, I took her to the village, which is by breaking these things. I'll see you guys in the next video. The next clip. Yeah, the next clip. Bye. This is the broom. This broom is made from palm fruit leaf. Okay, from this palm fruit, the leaf is they make this broom. Yeah. Yeah. Those that now. Don't scatter it everywhere. Madam. You. Then you go back. I think that's the the pan kernel crack, okay, you can use it to start fire. When you want to like put the chaff, you know, the chaff that I removed from when I was doing the banga, that chaff you remove from the banga stuff, you can dry that one and use it to start fire. Like when you put your firewood finish, you can put that one there. You light your matches without putting kerosene or fuel or anything. You light your matches with that chaff, okay, and put firewood on top of it. Then you on it, you allow it to catch and if that firewood is very, very dry, it will catch on time. Yes, the firewood will catch on time. Before you know it, the firewood has catch. So I'm going to wash this. I've been craving for aki with groundnut. Luckily for me, I did that banga soup. I'm going to wash it and I'll drink this with Gari. Yeah, you drink it with Gari. There's some ackee that is very, very sweet. There's some ackee that they call it, ow, my leg! There's some ackee they call milk ackee. Like, it's very, very soft and it's milky and it's very, very sweet. Ah. It's not hard like this one. But anyway, I'm going to drink my Gari now in sugar.
Is that dirty?
What?
Is that dirty for my...
For your what?
It's very dirty for my... For the salt.
Give salt. This thing. When I went to secondary school in the east. So if Male never cook finish, hunger the white person, you come out from school and your mom say have not finished cooking food. You knack the ackee, you carry Gari, then you eat it Gari and ackee, or you drink it together. It's very tasty. Yeah. No, we drink it together. Yeah. I'm showing you mommy's tradition. This is mommy's village stuff. Okay? Mommy's village. Don't worry, we drink it inside this one. Sugar. We don't have sugar, you put salt. We don't have salt. You drink it like that. Okay, I'm putting water. This is what it looks like.
It's very dirty.
It's very what?
Very dirty.
Nice.
My thinking water.
Yeah, it's very tasty. I'm African baby. Not my father. Which one?
Yeah.
Huh? No, we're not eating the soup. We are drinking Gari. Don't worry, I'll taste the soup, okay?
You like it?
Papa don't want to try it. Here I have 2 cups of flour. I'm already doing my yeast to rice, 2 teaspoon of yeast.
I put inside that sauce. A mix.
Take, use and mix. So,
You put in the fire.
yes, I put it in the fire. Ow, my leg. Nutmeg. Oops, I can still see that my nutmeg. Nutmeg. I'm using. Why this thing they blow? Why you not focusing? Nutmeg.
What's that?
So, babe, what is the name of this thing again?
No, say hot.
You, what is the name? What is the name?
What's that?
What is the name of this thing?
It's an alcohol.
No, I think I'll put on the whole nutmeg. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on. I just put it there. It's half. Wait. Mix with it. Mix it. Mix the flour and the nutmeg together. Yeah, I can see that. It's not egg, baby.
What's that?
It's called yeast.
Good yeast. Milk. Milk. What about milk? Oh.
I need to mix it to Mimi.
It's not for.
Oh God!
I know this one.
I begged to give her your uncle.